Hey, I'm going to show you the location of all 12 hoses in Mishimoto's Ancillary hose kit, and I'm showing you this on a 2019 WRX Limited. Starting on the passenger side under the car, there are 3 hoses, 1, 2, and up there in the back is hose number 3. Staying on the passenger side in the front of the car, there's hose number 4, and behind it, hose number 5. I had to trim about a 1/4 inch off of hose number 5 to get it to fit. That down there is hose number 1. And on the front of the car, very easy to find hose number 6, and also very easy to find hose number 7. Moving over to the driver's side of the car, there's hose number 8. And hose number 9, I wasn't able to use Mishimoto's at all. It wasn't molded correctly to fit on my car. Down there is hose number 10, and then on the driver's side under the car are the last 2, hose number 11 and 12. I was able to install these hoses using the clamps that came on my car. I didn't need to buy any new clamps, and I hope that helps.